If you want to control who can invite you to Delegate on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn on the setting that only allows people you follow to send you those invitations. This is a simple privacy and security adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you want to keep your account more organized and avoid unwanted delegation requests. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Now, let's get straight into it. First, open X and make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. On the left navigation bar, click More. This will open up the full menu with additional account options and settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account controls, including privacy, security, and access settings. Next, look for Security and Account Access and click it. This section contains important account management tools, so take your time and make sure you select the correct menu. After that, click Delegate. This is the area where X lets you manage delegation preferences and who can interact with Delegate invitations. Once you're inside the Delegate settings, look for the option that says Only allow people you follow to invite you. Turn that toggle on. When this setting is enabled, only accounts you follow will be able to invite you to Delegate, which gives you more control over who can reach you with that type of request. After switching it on, your settings should save automatically. That's all there is to it. You've now adjusted your X privacy settings, so only people you follow can invite you to Delegate. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple guide like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.